and welcome to Moisture Matters, the show where we take your everyday and not so everyday objects and test them to see which has more moisture. Today we're testing lyophilized pharmaceuticals and freeze-dried camping food. Which do you think has more moisture, a lyophilized pharmaceutical product or freeze-dried shrimp scampi? Let's find out. Lyophilized materials are extremely susceptible to gaining moisture. Even the rubber stoppers or other closures used to seal a sample bottle can cause moisture contamination. Pharmaceuticals with too much or too little moisture can run into problems with tableting, shelf life, and API effectiveness, which is why it's necessary to monitor and control the moisture content of lyophilized pharmaceuticals. Too much moisture in freeze-dried camping and astronaut food can decrease shelf life and cause problems throughout the production process by negatively affecting consistency and quality of the products being produced. As you can see, the pharmaceutical product has about 5 times the moisture content of the shrimp scampi. This is most likely because the two products tested are dried to different moisture specifications. Thank you for joining us on Moisture Matters. We hope you learned something today, or at least enjoyed watching us test the moisture content of lyophilized pharmaceutical samples and freeze-dried shrimp scampi. If you did, let us know by liking, favoriting, and subscribing. And remember, in matters of moisture, nothing matters more than Moisture Matters.